Good afternoon and welcome to June 2nd Alpha Zone. IAU at 56%. Let's get going here. So IAU is at 56%, $115. We're $7 short from the target. And we have a call. Now we have a dipper low. This was 36.06. This became 36.04 by 2 pennies. And this became now 36.21. So now we have a stop at $36, and there it is. The journal been updated to June 2nd, less than 60 days to the dates of expiration at $36. Now, for some reason, the order ticket has disappeared. I don't know what happened. So how do you get back an order ticket? Well, you click here on the symbol, and you come to create closing order, sell. There's your old order ticket. Nothing's changed there. And we get rid of the staging stuff. Yep, I'm not crazy about staging. And now I have my order ticket. One contract to sell at market. Go to GTC. Come here to the gear, and we're going to go less than $36. Okay, $36. Save. And now we're going to come here to the order ticket. Sell at below $36 and drop in our notes, which I did copy earlier, and send. And now there is our order ticket there. And as you know, I'm not crazy about the bubbles being in the middle of the screen. So I come here to the little gear on, come to general and click the order ticket off. And okay, and now it's gone. So we now have our stop for our IAU. But now we notice that KR joined us yesterday and SLB joined us yesterday, and we're working on remember, we're now working with the Stochastic Trending Scanner. And that is that the 10 EMA must be going in the same direction as what the stochastics comes off the scanner. And we're going to run the scanner. So we're now looking for, this is already initiated, this dipper low, because of the less than 60-day rule. So that's good there. These are your new exit rules here. I reviewed them in yesterday's video. So please go back to yesterday's if you want to catch up on that. So let's go on to SLB and see where it's standing and what are we going to do there. So SLB is right here. And there it is. Now, on the rules of engagement, the new rules of engagement are that if price clears the blue line, which is, I call this the entry point, which is like the imagination of this being one of those forthcoming spaceships, that once it clears that gantry and along with the wick, we'll then go to EP. We'll then go to the stop. We'll go to the entry price. So our stop right now is right here on the red line, and we're at 34%. This one here is one of the heavyweights that do owe us a lot of money. So any little bit will help. We're already at 261 in profit. So with that said, there is nothing much more to do. Let's go on over to KR. So at KR, and there are the notes. There are the exit rules. So we can use this as the demonstration. So you see price has not cleared the entry yet. So as soon as price gets up here along with the wick and the body must clear the gantry. And at the gantry, which is the entry price, we'll then move the stop to 37.25. And if it peters out and comes back down to us, well, then we'll get out with a smaller loss than going for a full ratio. So that's right here. We're looking to initiate the first exit rule right there. So that takes us. That is the conclusion of the positives, and we changed the order ticket on the IAU, waiting for it to come to terms. Let's see where we are in the account, and you can see from the opening slide that we are at 26.6 for stochastic. So let's go look at the numbers, and there is the SPY at 12.5. And let's go look at the account. And the account is at 69.73. We still have a buying power of 5,018. So let's go ahead and run the numbers on, oh, forgot. Man, I forget easy. 69.73. So we're going to go 69.73 minus the 55.33 for the beginning of the year. We're at 1440. Divide that by 55.33 the beginning of the year as a percentage, and our number is 26%. We are doubled. Again, we are double of the SPY. The SPY there is at 12.5, and we are at 26. Well done. Okay, with that said and that done, let's go ahead and run this daily scanner. Yes. So coming over here now to our daily scanner, there's our daily scanner for the uptrend alphas, and run it. Ooh, I see the parameter problem. This is going to be a good lesson. When you're running your scanner, you got to make sure that you look at your parameters. For the alphas, this is $1 to 4 because I have stocks that are under 10. So I go to 1. I also have stocks that are less than 2 million in shares. So I go real low on the parameters, and now you see our number dropped up to 45. There are 46 loss leaders in the alpha group, and now we'll run the alpha group for the up condition and see what happens. Nothing. Okay, so that's out of the way. So now let's go on down to the downside of the scanner, and that's here. There's stochastic downtrender, alphas, and I need to check the parameters to see if they're okay. Yes, they are. $1 to 400, and something's wrong here. Okay. Well, we can't see the whole panel, but do you see right there? There's 20,000 right there. Okay. That said, let's go ahead and run the scanner for the alphas, and there's 46 again, and run it. And nothing. So you see the scanner is not finding anything. Now what is happening? What's happening is that we're into the summer months. The stock market will not have a lot of movement, volatility during summer months. This will continue to about middle July. Middle July, things start picking up. And then when we head in toward the middle part of September, we'll start getting the rumors if we had a good summer, if we had a good third quarter, which would include July, August, and September. And that's where you have sometimes those market pullbacks in September and October, is because of the poor earnings reports coming out of summer. And I have not done very good seasonality on that, so I cannot tell you. I just go by my numbers. But with that said, we can conclude today's report for losers become winners with Alpha IAU at 56%, and the strategy Stochastics is 26%, double the SPY's 12.5. Thank you very much for stopping by, checking it out, and do subscribe and keep up with the latest recordings. Thank you, and bye-bye.